Well, children, now let us proceed to the exercise. So, exercise 5.1, first question number 1 has been picked up for you, and question number 1, write each of the following sentence statements as algebraic expressions using suitable literals. Okay, using suitable literals. So, till now we have already learned what a literal is. Literal can be a variable, literal can be a constant. Is it? Literal, we have a literal with fixed value and literal without fixed value. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, they are called literal without fixed value or variables, and 2, 3, 4, minus 6, minus 5, 10, 20, these are called constant term. Is constant literal, is it? Okay, now with the help of literals, let us write first question, 5 less than a number. Okay, 5 less than a number. So it's very simple. See, let x be the number, x be the number. See, 5 less than a number, since we don't know the number, okay, so what we'll do, we'll assume that let x be the number. Now, as per the question, okay, now as per the question, what given? 5 less than a number. So less means minus, so this is the num x and 5 less. Okay, so 5 less than a number. Okay, well, now question number B, x less than the sum of x and y. So question number B. So unlike question number A, in question number B we now need to assume. See, question number A, 5 less than a number, so we did not know the number, so we assume the let x be the number. But here question number B, see, x less than the sum of x and y. So what we'll do, sum of x of y, solution. Okay, solution, sum of x and y. Sum means plus, so sum of x and y, that is called sum and x and y, x plus y, is it? And x less, so minus x. This is the solution for question number B. Decrease the sum of x and y by z. Okay, solution, very simple question. See, decrease the sum of x and y by z. Sum of x and y, so what sum of x and y? X plus y. So decrease the sum, we have to reduce this sum, okay, by z. Decrease the sum of x and y by z, so x plus y minus z. This is the solution for question number 1, sub question C. Okay, now question number D. 3 times x added to y. 3 times x added to y. So solution, 3 times x, that means 3 into x added to y. Add means plus, isn't it? So y plus thrice x. Very simple. See, 3 times x, that means thrice x, 3 into x. Okay, is this added to y, so y plus thrice x. Question number F. Quotient of x by 4 is added to y. Okay, this question number F. Quotient of x by 4 is added to y. So solution, quotient of x by y. So x by 4, quotient of x by 4, so x by 4 is added to y. x by 4 plus y. This is the solution for question number F. It's a very simple question. Well, children, now I'll solve question number 2. That is, identify the terms of the following algebraic expressions and write their factors. Okay. Twice x squared minus thrice y plus 7. This is our first question. Sub question A. So terms are twice x squared is one terms, then minus thrice y is the another one term, and then 7 is the another one term. So this very expression, we have got three terms. First term is twice x squared, second term is minus thrice y, and third term is 7. And factors. Now factors of twice x squared. Okay, factors of twice x squared. The factors of the first term, twice x squared. Okay, here we got numeric factors, numeric factor 2, and literal factor, literal factors. We got x into x. Okay, it's very simple. Now factors of minus thrice y. So numeric factors, numeric factor is minus 3. Okay, and literal factors, literal factor is y. And third term we got minus 3, is it? Sorry, 7. Third term we got 7. So factors of 7 is 7. Factor of 7 is factor of 7 numeric factor 7. Or you can write like this also, this question. If you want to write, you can write like this also. Twice x squared, you can write 2 into x, or minus thrice y, you can write 3 into minus 3 into y. Okay, minus 3 into y. You'll think it x, so I'm putting dot only. Okay, this dot means into, minus 3 into y, and seven equal 7. You can write like this also. Now let us solve question number 3, expressed in exponential form. Okay, exponential form. So we know what is an exponent. When you write x cube, this cube is called exponent, and this x is called base. When you write 5 raised to the power 7, say this 5 is called base, and this 7 is called power or exponent. Power or exponent. All right. Okay, solution C, 7 into A into A into A into B into B into C. Okay, so see, it's very simple. Remember, when the power is same, say A cube into A square. Okay, when bases are same, when the bases are same and in between there is multiple sign, what we do, we write the base and we add up the power. The powers are added. So here power of a is 3 and power of a is 2. So 3 plus 2, what we got? A raised to the power 5. This is the solution here. Suppose we got a cube divided by a square. Okay, when bases are same and in between divide sign, then what we'll do, a raised to the power 3 minus 2 equal a raised to the power 1. Okay, are you getting me? So it's very simple. See now, this is 7. Okay, here power is 1, here power is 1, here power is 1, here also 1. No power means power is 1. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what we can write, 7 into a cube and b into b squared into c. 7 a cube b squared c. This is the solution for question number 3a. Rest all same. You can proceed on yourself. Okay, well, see question number C, solution. 2x cube y into minus 3 x squared y cube into 4 into x into y square. Okay, so in the following step you see 2 into minus 3 into 4, we can write 2 into 2. Okay, now this is x cube, see x and x, so x cube into x squared into x, then y into y cube and y square. Okay, now in the following step you see 2 2 2. Okay, here 2, now power means 1 power, here 1, here power is 1. So what you can write, 2 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 raised to the power 3 into minus 3. Now here base is x, here also base is x, and power is 3 and 2, and in between what sign is there? Into. So what can write, x raised to the power 3 plus 2, 5. Getting me? Oh, again 1x is there now. So your power is 1. 3 plus 2 plus 5, 6. Power is 6. Then here power is 1c. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2, 6. So what you can write, y raised to the power 6. Okay, this is the solution for question number 2, sub-question 3, sub-question C. Sub-question D, 2 into t into t into t into t 10 times. 10 times. Okay. So solution, 2 into t into t into t into t 10 times. Now see, 2 into t raised to the power 10. If t is 2 times, so 1 plus 1 2, 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 4 times 4 1. So question number 4, identify the like terms. Okay, you have to identify the like terms. So it's very simple. So what word last time we discussed about like terms. To be like terms, we have got 2 conditions. Okay, condition number 1, the variable must be same and the power of the variable also must be same. Then only 2 terms will be like terms. To be like terms, the variable and power of any 2 terms must be same. Then only they will be considered as like terms. Okay, so now see, first term we got minus 3x y raised to the power 5. x into y raised to the power 5. So here we don't have again x into y raised to the power 5. So this term does not have any like term. It does not have any like term. Next 5xy. So here variables are what? X and y, and powers are what? 1, 1. So xy, this term 5xy and this 5yx, they are like terms, okay? And this 10xy, these three are like terms. Why like terms? See, here variable x and y, here also variable x and y, here also variable x and y. Here power of x 1 and power of y is 1. Here power of x 1, power of y is 1. Here also power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So this is what we got, first like term. Okay, so what to write? Identify the like term. So here it will come solution. Okay, we'll write 5xy, 5yx and 10xy. Okay, 5xy, 5yx and 10xy. This is the like terms. Then x square y square. And is there any more x square y square here? Not there. So this term also does not have any like term. Okay, now this we have checked, this we have checked, this we have checked, this we have checked. Now 13y square x. Okay, and here also y square x. Okay, these two terms are like term, this term and this term. So what we can write? 13y square x and 6xy square. See, here also x, here also x, here also y square, here also y squares. They are like terms. Okay, and then we have got here minus 17 and 55 like term. Remember, two constant terms are always like term. Minus 17 is a constant term, 55 is a constant term. So two constant terms are always like terms. Well, children, now let us proceed to exercise 5.2, and here question number 2 has been picked up for you. See, for the following algebraic expression, identify the degree and coefficients of each term. Also identify the degree of the algebraic expressions. Okay, well, so here question we have got, see what we have to find out. Here we have got 3 different questions. See, first you have to find out the degree of each term, question number 1. Then you have to find out coefficient of each term, that is question number 2. And then you have to find out degree of the complete algebraic expression. Okay, 3 questions are there here. Well, now let us solve it. Solution: the degree of each term each term okay, degree of twice x square, okay, is also degree, you know, the power of the variables. Okay, if there is only one variable is there, that power will take. If more than one variable, then will sum of the power. Okay, sum of the power of the power of the variables. So since here in our this first question twice x square, we have got only one variable, Okay, only one variable, so and the power of this variable is 2, so degree of this term thrice x square is what? 2. Getting me? And the degree of the constant term is always 0. Okay, whatever may be the constant term, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 10, 100, whatever may be the constant term, the degree of a constant term is always 0. So x square, here the power is 2, so degree is 2. Okay, now next degree of second term we got minus 5xy. This is our second, this is minus 5xy, this is another one term, so is equal. Now you see here see we have got two variables. First variable you got x, then you got y, then power of x, here see no power means power is 1 and power of y is what? 1. So 1 plus 1, we got the degree here 2. Alright, okay, now next degree of next term we got minus 4y square. So minus 4y square is also 2 because power of y is 2. Next degree of minus 11x square y is, okay, degree of minus 11x square y is. Now see here we have got two variables, one we got x and y we have got y. Now the power of x is 2 and power of y nothing is there, so that means power of y is 1. So 2 plus 1 will get here degree 3. Alright, so what we got here, so already you have solved the first question. For the following algebraic expression, identify the degree. We have already identified the degree. Now we have to identify the coefficient of each term. Okay, so coefficient of thrice x square is, actually we learned that coefficient means coefficient of the complete term. Okay, when we will be asked to write the coefficient of the complete term, that time we will consider the numeric coefficient only. So the coefficient of thrice x square is 3. Okay, but question is coefficient of 3 is x square, coefficient of x square is 3, but here question is coefficient of thrice x square. That means you have to write the coefficient of the complete term. So coefficient of a term is always the numeric coefficient. So we'll write 3. Second, coefficient of minus 5xy. Minus 5xy is minus 5. Alright, then coefficient of, okay, what you got, minus 4y square. Minus 4y square is minus 4. Then coefficient of minus 11x square y. Coefficient of minus 11x square y is what? Minus 11. So second question also is solved. Well, we have already got the we have already solved the first part, that is find the degree of each term. You have already solved the second part, find the coefficient of each term. Well, now we will have to find the third part of the question, that is also identify the degree of the algebraic expressions. Okay, now we know that degree of an algebraic expression is always the highest degree of the terms. Now see, here we got 2, 2, 3 out of all these first 4 terms. We got this the highest degree we got 3. Okay, highest degree we got 3. Since the highest degree of the terms is 3, so this 3 will be considered as the degree of the algebraic expression. Okay, so what to write, since the highest degree, okay, the highest degree of the terms is 3, hence degree of the expression, degree of the algebraic expression is also 3. Well, this is the solution for question number 2, sub question A. Well, children, let us solve one more question from this very question number 2, that is sub question B. So here we got 23xy minus 4x square y square plus 5x y cube minus 17. Okay, to find the degree. Okay, degree of 23xy is, okay, 23xy. See, here we have got two variables. First variable we got x, then we got y. Now power of x here, no power means 1. Again, y has also, above y also no power, so power of y is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2. What you got? Degree 2. Now next, see, degree of minus 4x square y square is, it's very simple. See, so we have got two variables. Okay, power of x is 2 and power of y is 2, so 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, now degree of plus 5x square y cube is, now see here, power of x is 2, power of y is 3, so 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Then degree of minus 17. Okay, degree of minus 17 is 0. Why? We know that degree of a constant term is always 0, whatever may be the constant term. Okay, it can be any number, but the degree will be always 0. So we've got the degree of all the terms. Now if we observe the degrees, okay, so we'll get that this 5 is the highest degree of the terms. Is it? Since this 5 is the highest degree of the terms, so degree of the algebraic expression is also 5. So I'll write, since the highest degree of the term, okay, highest degree of the, okay, highest degree of the terms is, highest degree of the terms is, highest degree of the terms is 5, hence the degree of the expression, okay, the degree of the algebraic expression is also 5. It's a very simple question. Okay. Okay, now we'll have to find the coefficient of all the terms, is it? So coefficient of 23xy is 23. See, coefficient of 23xy. If, see, don't be collide, don't be confused. If question is coefficient of x, if coefficient of x will be 23y, coefficient of y will be 23x. Coefficient of 23 will be xy. Coefficient of xy will be 23. Coefficient of 23x will be y. Coefficient of 23 and y will be x. But here our question is coefficient of the complete term, and coefficient of the entire term is always the numeric coefficient. Okay, and here the numeric coefficient is 23, so this 23 will be considered as the coefficient of the term. So similarly, next, coefficient of minus 4x square y. Minus 4x square y is minus 4. That's very simple. See, coefficient of 5x square y cube. 5x square y cube is what? 5. Is it? Okay, then coefficient of minus 17. Okay, minus 17 is minus 17. Well, this is the solution of question number 2, sub question B. Now rest you proceed on yourself. It's a very simple question. Okay, although now let us solve question number 4, that is write the following algebraic expression in the standard form. So we have got here an expression, we have to write this very expression in standard form. So what is standard form? See, standard form is what? When the terms of an expression is written in descending order of their degrees, okay, then the expression is said to be written in standard form. So in order to write in standard form, first of all you must know the degrees of the various terms. So first let us find the degrees of the various terms. Okay, solution the degree of each term, okay, I'll find the degree of each term first. So we got it, first term here, 7x square. All right, so degree of 7x square. Okay, degree of 7x square is, so you have got here only one variable and the power of this variable x is 2, so degree of this term is also what? 2. Next we got minus 15x raised to the power 6, so degree of minus 15x raised to the power 6 is what we got here? 6. Then degree of, okay, 25 or plus 25 is 0. We know degree of a constant term is always 0. Okay, whatever may be the term, constant term, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, no problem, but degree of a constant term is always 0. Remember, point to be remembered. Now see, degree of minus twice x cube is what we got here. We got degrees 3, and degree of 11x, okay, degree of 11x is what we got here, 1. See, x is no power means 1, so the degree is also 1. Now see, if you compare the degrees, so out of all the degrees we got the 6 is the highest degrees, is it? Okay, so descending order means you have to write the largest one first. So the standard form of the given expression of the given algebraic expression is. Okay, so what will come first? First it will come, this is the highest degree 6, then it will come, this will come first. Okay, first this 3 will come second, this is third term, and this term will be fourth term, and this will be the fifth term. Okay, so first term we got here minus 15x raised to the power 6. So right here minus 15x raised to the power 6. Second term we got here minus twice x cube, is it? So minus twice x cube. Then third term we got here 7x squared. So all right, plus 7x squared. Then fourth term we got here 11x. So right, 11x. Then fifth term we got here 25. That is right here plus 25. And this is the solution for question number . Okay, this is the solution for question number 4, sub question A. Rest all same, you proceed on yourself, just find the degrees, and how to find the degrees already you have learned in the previous question. Okay, so after finding the degrees, it is very easy to arrange in descending order. Descending order means, you know, larger to smaller. So first 6, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Alright. Well children, now let us proceed to question number 5. This is also very simple question. Okay. So question is, identify the monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials from the following algebraic expression. Okay. Very simple. See from the name itself, monomial. Mono means 1. That means mono means 1, and that means an expression, an algebraic expression with one term, or an algebraic expression that is consist of only one term is called monomial. If an expression has two terms, we call it binomial. Bi means 2, is it? And if it has 3 terms, we call it trinomial. And if it has more than 3 terms, 4, 5, 6, 7, any number of terms, we call it polynomial. It's very simple. Now see, say for example, first question. Okay, question number 5, sub question A. See, you have got only one term here, thrice x squared. So this is what? This is monomial. This is monomial. Now question number B. See, minus 11xy is one term, 16 is one term. How many terms we got? 1 and 1, 2 term, is it? Since it has got 2 term, so it will be binomial. Okay, 2 means bi. Now question number C. See, here we've got 1, 2, 3 term, 4 term. Since it has got 4 terms, so it will be considered as, it will be called polynomial. If there is 4 or more than 4, any number of terms, okay, then such an expression is called polynomial. So this number 6 is polynomial. Okay, polynomial. All right. And number G, you see you have got 1, 2, 3 terms. Since it has got 3 terms, so it will be trinomial. All right, very simple question. Well children, now let us proceed to question number 6, that is classify the following algebraic expression as linear, quadratic and cubic. Okay, well children, now see, on the basis of the degree of an algebraic expression is classified as linear, quadratic and cubic. Okay, it's very simple. If the degree of an expression is 1, then it is called linear. If the degree is 2, it is called quadratic. And if the degree is 3, then it is called cubic. Now see our question here. First question here, question number sub question A, 4x squared minus 16. Okay, see here, power of, we have got only one variable here, and that is x, is it? So power of x is 2. This is first term. We have got two term here. One term is 4x square and another one term is 16. Okay, so degree of this first term we got 2 and degree of second term we got 0. So highest degree is 2, so degree of this expression is what? 2. And since the degree of this expression is 2, so it is called a quadratic. Okay, since so this first question you can say quadratic. Okay, number A is what? Quadratic. Quadratic. Are getting me? Why quadratic? Because your degree is what? 2. Now question number B. Okay, now see here, first term we have got degree is what? 1. X, one variable, no power means power is 1. Second term is what? 5. Okay, here degree of a constant term is 0. Okay, this term, okay, x cube, here degree is 3 and here degree is 2. Since highest degree is 3, so degree of the expression will be considered as 3. Okay, since the degree is 3, so it is a cubic expression. Okay, what this is this will be a cubic algebraic expression. Cubic algebraic expression. Are getting me? Now see question number C. You have got two term. First term is 12t and second term is 6. Okay, so I'll find the degree first. Okay, degree of 12t is 1. Is it? Because this is our variable is t and here no power means power is 1, so degree of 12t is 1 and degree of minus 6 is 0. So your highest degree is 1. So since the degree is 1, highest degree of the terms is 1, so the degree of this expression is also 1, and since the degree of this algebraic expression is 1, so it is called linear expression or linear algebraic expression. Okay, it's very simple. We are to observe the degrees of each and every term of an expression. First of all, what we'll do, we'll find out the terms and we'll find the degrees of the terms, and highest degree of the terms will be considered as the degree of the expression, and if the degree of the entire expression is 1, it will be linear equation. If the degree of the entire expression is 2, it will be considered as quadratic equation, and if the degree of the entire expression is 3, it will be considered as cubic algebraic expression. All right, okay, now we'll proceed to exercise 5.3. okay, well children, now let us proceed to exercise 5.3. it's a very simple chapter. See, add only addition and subtraction. This is not a new thing for you. You already know how to add, how to subtract. So first question number 1 has been picked up for you. That is, add the following. Sub question A, 11a plus 6b and minus 5a plus 3b. Okay, so solution. (11a plus 6b plus minus 5a plus 3b. Okay, now see in the next step, 11a plus 6b. Okay, 11a. Now look at the next step. 11a is written as 11a. Okay, we have not done anything, just written as it is. Now 6b, we'll write 6b. Now here see, here we have got plus, and inside the bracket you have got minus. So plus into minus, you know, minus. So what we'll write? minus 5a plus thrice b. Now see like terms. This is 11a and minus 5a. These two terms are like terms. Okay, 11 minus 5, 6, so you can write, or if you don't understand, you can bring the like terms together. One step more you can do. 11a minus 5a. What you have done, see 11a, after 11a what was there? 6b, but now instead of writing 6b we have written 5a. That means what you have done, we have brought the like terms together. Now here see, plus 6b and plus thrice p. Are you getting me? Like terms, b together in one side and a together in one side. Alright, now next is very simple. 11a minus 5b. See coefficient of 11a is 11, coefficient of 5a is 5, so 11 minus 5 we know 6, so we can write here 6a. Is it? Okay, then 6b plus 3b, so 6 plus 3, 9, so we'll write plus 9b. This is the solution of question number 1, sub question A. Okay, if you want, you can do little different way also. This we have done in horizontally, you can do vertical way also, but better to do in horizontal way. Is it? So while solving equation, all you'll have to do in horizontal way, so you have done horizontal way. If you want to do in vertical way, you can do in vertical way also. See 11a plus 6b. Okay, next what we got, minus 5a plus 3b, you can write in vertically. Now see 6 plus 3, 9, and this b will remain as b, then plus 11 minus 5, 6a, like this also you can do, 6a plus 9b. Are you getting me? Well, let us solve one more question from this very question number 1. That is sub question G have been taken for you. Sub question G has been picked up for you. And the sub question G, 4x y square minus 7x square y. You got here this one and this one and this three expression. We are to add up these three different expressions. So what to write here? Solution. So 4xy square minus 7x square y, okay, plus 12x square y minus 6xy square plus minus thrice x square y plus 5x y square. Okay, now on the following step, now see 4x y square minus 7x square y plus 12x square y minus 6xy square. Now plus minus 3x square y plus 5xy square. Okay. Okay, now in the following step you see what we'll do, we'll bring all the like term together. See, first term we got xy square, is it? We'll see whether there is any more xy square or not. Yes, they've got here one. This we've got xy square. Again we got here xy square. Again, is there any xy square? Is one more xy square you've got. So these three you'll write together first. We'll write 4xy square, then minus 6xy square, and then plus 5xy square. All right. So next what we got here, x square y. We'll see is there any more x square y or not. Yes, this is also x square y, and this we got here x square y. So we'll bring together. So first we'll write minus 7x square y, then we'll write plus 12x square y, then we'll write minus 3x square y. All right. Now in the following step you see what you got here? 4 minus 6 plus 5. So what you can write? 4 minus 6 plus 5 into xy square. Okay, now here minus 7 plus 2 minus 3. So what you can write? Plus minus 7 plus 12 and minus 13 x square y. Okay, now see here, 4 plus 5 9, 9 minus 6 3, so 3xy square, then plus, here see, minus 7 minus 13, we know minus 20, and plus 12. From 12 we cannot subtract 20, so it will get minus 8. See, shortcut you can do, minus what you got here, minus 7 plus 12 minus 13, is it? Now see, this 12 is positive, this 7 and 13 both are negative, so what will do? 12 minus 7 minus 13, if you take minus common, 7 plus 13, so what you got? 12 minus 20. Now so it is not possible to subtract 20 from 12, so in reverse what we'll do, from 20 we'll subtract 12, we'll get 8, and sign in front of the larger figure is negative, so we'll put here minus 8. Okay, so what we got here? Minus 8. So plus, I've got here minus 8 into x square y. Now in the following step we see thrice x y square plus minus minus 8 and x square y. This is the solution for question number 1, sub question G. Okay, well children, now let us proceed to question number 2, that is find the value of the algebraic expression for the given values of the literals. Okay, see, sub question A, 5x plus 4, you've got an expression. You have to find the value of this expression, and value of literals x is given 2. Okay, it's very simple. Solution C. Solution 5x plus 4. Okay, now value of x what given? 2. So in place of 2x will replace the value of 2. So 5x means what? 5 into x. 5x means what? 5 into x. So what we'll write here? 5 into 2. In place of x we'll put 2, then plus 4, then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4 equal 14. It's very simple, is it? Isn't it? It's very simple. Now see, next question, question number D, solution. Okay, solution question number D, you got a square plus ab. Okay, ab, and value of a given 1, value of b given 2. Just we'll put the value in place of a, we'll put the value of a, that is 1, and here square, plus in place of a again we'll put the value of a, 1. ab means a into b, so 1 into 2. All right, now 1 square, we know 1 plus 1 into 2 is it 2, so we got 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, it's very simple. See, now let us solve question number F. Okay, solution question number F. What we got? We got x square plus 12xy minus thrice y plus 2. Okay, now value of x here given 2 and value of y is given 3. So in place of x we'll replace the value of x, that is we'll substitute the value of x. Value of x is 2, so I'll write here in place of x we'll write 2, then square, then plus, then what is there? 12 into x. Okay, value of x we got 2, so I'll write 2, then into y, value of y what? 3, we'll write here 3, minus 3 into value of y we got 3, we'll put 3 in plus of y plus 2. Now see, following step, it's very simple. 2 square means we know 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 3 is 72, plus 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2, is it? Now it's very simple. 4 plus 2 6 plus 9 15 plus 2 17, carry over 1 plus 7 8. 87 is the solution for question number to sub-question F. Alright, it's very simple question. Rest you proceed your own. Now we'll go to the next question, that is question number 3. Well children, now let us proceed to question number 3, that is subtract. So sub question A, we got minus 5xy from 12xy. Okay, from 12xy, from this you have to subtract this. So solution is very simple. Solution, you see, 12xy minus, since from 12xy you have to subtract minus 5xy, so 12xy minus 5xy. Okay, now in the following step you see 12xy minus plus 5xy, outside also minus, inside also minus, we do minus plus. Now see, it's very simple. 12 plus 5, 17xy. Okay, if you want you can do in vertical way also. 12xy, we got here minus 5xy. Alright, we are subtracting, is it? So remember, while we write in vertical way and while subtract, we have to in denominator, in subtrahend, this is 12xy is the minuend and minus 5xy is the subtrahend. In subtrahend place, whatever sign will be there, if there is minus, we will turn into plus. If there is plus, we will turn into minus. Since it's minus, imagine it not minus, you have to imagine it as plus. We have to think that this is not minus, this is plus. And if there is plus, then we'll imagine it as minus. Okay, now see, this y x will write. Now this is minus. What we have to do, if there is minus, we will consider it as plus. We'll think it as plus. If there is plus, we will think it as minus. Since it is minus, we'll think it plus. So 12 plus 5, 17xy. Getting me? It's very simple. Okay, we'll take one more question from here. Well, now let us solve sub question D, that is twice x cubed minus 4x squared plus thrice x plus 5 from 4x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 6. So what you have to do, you have to subtract from 4x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 6. From here, what to subtract? What you have to subtract? You have to subtract twice x cubed minus 4x squared plus thrice x plus 5. All right. Okay, now see, in the following step, we'll write here for this is minuend. This is minuend. We'll write as it is 4x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 6. Now twice x cubed. Before twice x cubed, see, no sign. No sign means plus. So minus plus minus twice x cubed minus plus 4x squared, then minus plus minus thrice x, then minus plus minus 5. All right. Now in the following step, you see all the like terms will bring together. Here variable is x and power is 3, is it? Here also variable is x, power is 3. Okay, and there is no more the x with power 3, so these two will bring together 4x cubed minus twice x cubed, then plus x squared. Let us see, is there any more x squared here? Yes, this is one more x squared, so we'll write x squared plus 4x squared, then x plus x minus thrice x, then plus 6 minus 5. Okay, now 4 minus 2, we know 2, so you can write twice x cubed. Okay, then plus x squared, 4x squared, and x mean here coefficient nothing is there, means 1, is it? If when there will be no coefficient, so numeric coefficient will be 1. So here also before x squared no coefficient, so this is 1, is it? 1x squared, so 1 plus 4 5 plus 1 6x. Okay, we prefer not to write here 1. We don't write here 1, but even though we don't write 1, so we know their coefficient is x. 1x is there, is 1, so coefficient is 1. So 1x, 2x plus 4, 6x square, is it? 1x square, 2x square plus 4x square is equal to 6x square. Okay. Sorry, this x square is not square. We made mistake here. So this 2x square and this is only x. Now see. Okay, now see 4x cube minus twice x cube, 4 minus 2, coefficient of x cube is 4, coefficient of x cube is 2, so 4 minus 2 will be 2, so twice x cube. Then here we got x square plus 4x square, coefficient of x square, here nothing is there, nothing means if there is no numeric coefficient then we'll consider it as 1, so 1x square plus 4x square, 1 plus 4, 5x square, okay, 5x square. Then 1x and thrice x, x minus 3, that means here 1 minus 3, is it? It is not possible to subtract 3 from 1, so what we'll do from, it is not possible to subtract 3 from 1, so what we'll do from 3, we'll subtract 1, from 3 if we subtract 1 we'll get 2, and sign in front of the larger figure is negative, so we'll put here negative, we'll get here twice x, then plus 6 minus 5, 1. This is the solution for question number 3, sub question D. Okay. And also one more question from this very question number 3, that is sub question H. Okay. We have to subtract this first expression from the second expression. The second expression, what we got? We got thrice x by 2 plus thrice y by 2 minus 4z by 3. Okay, this is the second expression. From the second we have to subtract the first expression. First expression we got thrice x by 2 minus 5y by 4 and minus 7z by 2. Okay, now see, rest is very simple, thrice x by 2 plus thrice y by 2 minus 4z by 3. So here see thrice x by 2, before thrice x by 2 there is no sign means plus, so outside minus, minus plus, minus, so minus thrice x by 2, again this minus, it will become plus 5y by 2, then this minus, again it will become plus 7z by 2. Well, now in the following step you see it's very simple. What you'll do, will bring all the like terms together. Okay, I'll bring the like terms together. So thrice x by 2, and where x is there, this is thrice x. Now see, we can do this thrice x by 2 is positive, before thrice x no sign, that means plus, and this thrice x by 2 is negative, so thrice x by 2 cancel. Okay, thrice x by 2 minus thrice x by 2 equal 0, is it? Now what we'll do, next step, see thrice y by 2, okay, then plus 5y by 2, okay, then minus 4z by 3 plus 7z by 3. Now see, here thrice y by 2 plus 5 by 2, since like fraction, in the first fraction also denominator 2, in the second fraction also denominator 2, just write the denominator 2 and we'll add up thrice y plus 5y. Then minus, here also same, 3, we'll write 4z plus 7z. Now here 2, 3 plus 5, 8y, minus 4 plus 7, 11z, divided by 3. Okay, this is the solution for this very question. Or if you want, you can write like this also. 2 and 3 LCM is 6 by 2. If we divide 6 3 times, so we'll get 3 into 8y minus, if we divide by 3, we'll get 2 into 11z. Again, what we got, 3 times 8 is 24y minus 22z divided by 6. Up to this doing also will do, and if you want to do, you can do up to this 24y minus 22z divided by 6. Okay. Well, children, with this I'm going to wind up this very class. If there is any doubt, any query, now your from tomorrow, day after tomorrow, your what called first unit test is going to be commenced. So if there is any doubt, any query, any problem, if you don't understand, okay, so right after your first unit test, you approach us, you contact us, you let us know. We'll try to solve your problem. Till then, keep preparing, keep practicing for your first term test. Try to get full mark in all the subject. Wish you all the best. Bye.